Hi guys, thanks for joining me for a really easy swipe, which I'll then use to create a bit of a flower garden. To prepare for the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the paint colors and then giving them a quick stir. Each of these paints is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus 1 drop of silicone oil. I'll list all my paint colors, ratios and supplies in the description box so you can find all the details there. With the paints ready, I'm laying down my various base colors. I like the colors that I used a week or so ago, so I thought I'd use some similar colors again today. I'm just tilting the canvas a bit to spread the paint around to cover some of the open spaces. To swipe, I'm using white paint, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. I'm using the back of a paintbrush to help me create some stems for the flowers. It's about 45 minutes later and I'm just pressing down gently using a balloon that's slightly filled with water and then carefully lifting the balloon directly back up to create what kind of looks like a flower. I like giving the paint a bit of time to dry before applying the balloon because if you do it when the paint is totally wet, I find that it often largely absorbs the pattern that you create. So I prefer to wait a bit before doing this particular part. I'm using a toothpick to add a few drops of white paint to the center of each flower. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.